Hi friends, let's understand the crucial aspect of trading, managing your risk with the maximum loss limit. The maximum loss limit is your safety net, designed to keep your trading practices responsible and under control. It represents the maximum amount of money you're allowed to lose during your trading challenge or account duration. This limit is set at 8% of your initial balance in both two-step pro and prime accounts. If at any point your losses, whether from opened or closed trades, exceeds this 8% threshold, your account will be permanently suspended. For example, if a trader begins with an account balance of $100,000, the maximum loss they can incur on their account is $8,000, 8% of $100,000, covering losses from both open and closed positions. This system helps manage risk effectively, ensuring that your trading remains within a controlled environment. It's all about promoting responsible trading practices. Remember, understanding and adhering to your maximum loss limit is key to maintaining a sustainable trading strategy. Keep an eye on your trades, manage your risks, and trade smart. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.